Alright, so in this tutorial, I will show you guys how to make anaglyphic drawing, or otherwise known as 3D drawing, using Photoshop, and a really quick layering technique, or how to do it quickly with basically any type of drawing, image, or photo. So we want to open the file, whatever drawing you have that you made on Illustrator or any other program or photo, and we want to make 3 different layers of this image. One as the background, and this one is that glowing yellow effect that we want in the drawing, and the other 2 being the red and cyan bluish lenses that are coordinated for each eye, as 3D lenses usually work. So for our background layer, we want to highlight all the yellow in this one and remove it from the other 2. So we will do that now. And we will color range and select all the yellow and Control X to remove it from the layer after we select it. And now, as you can see, you have the bottommost layer. Be transparent, and you can change the brightness or the contrast to make this bright, but I would leave this more towards the end after you see the blue and red lenses of the anaglyphic drawing, and you can adjust how much you want that brightness to be for your under layers, your background layer. So we want to go to blending options and remove green and blue and just leave red as one of the channels for one of the layers, and you can see the red layer clearly without the yellow. It's right now only on the background layer. And do the same thing, blending options, and just remove red this time and leave green and blue to create the cyan channel for the layer. So now you have your 2 anaglyphic lenses and you have your background yellow layer. So what we want to do now is we want to displace the blue and the red. So we're going to rename the 2 layers so we're organized, and we have the background and the 2 red and cyan. And what we're going to do is take the red layer and displace it to the right 10 arrow notches in distance. And after we do that, we take the cyan layer and we make the red hidden, and we do the same thing, 10 arrow notches, but this time to the left. And when you turn on both layers, you see that 3D effect, that anaglyphic effect. And we turn on the bottom layer and we see the glowing kind of diagrammatic result that we want. And you can pretty much do this with any type of drawing or image. Very basic tutorial for using Photoshop to make an anaglyphic or 3D image really simply. So all you're missing now is the 3D glasses to see the 2 differently filtered colored lenses and create this integrated stereoscopic image. Thanks for watching, guys.